Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the import button, shape, select a photo, adjust the photo. Then select another shape, remove the background so there is color, change the color, select the rays to make the color red, select the shape, change the color, adjust the color, select the opacity, quick shadow enable button down, change the background color, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.